Well-maintained double-wide image in a lovely smaller image park. Good floor plan features both master ensuite and guest room with ensuite. Large living room, front enclosed year-round porch. Sellers have done many improvements since purchase in 2018, including all new subfloors and laminate flooring throughout, painting inside and out, laundry moved to inside with pantry. Speaking of pantry, this home has a lot of storage, 2 pantries, large coat closet, master has a walk-in closet and there is a workshop at end of carport. The master is spacious with a good-sized bath with double bowl vanity. Outside, you will appreciate the metal shutters, making it easy to secure for summers away. Air conditioner 2015 and roof 2018, approximate dates per seller info. Low traffic, as this home is the second property from end of a street. Partially furnished, most furniture will stay. Great option for winter resident or year-round living. Don't miss this lovely home, call today to schedule your showing.